Welcome to the world of division! Today, we will learn how to share. Are you ready? Let us begin. Welcome to the Cupcake Challenge! Look at these 12 delicious treats! Can we share them equally? Let us find out together. 12 is the total number of cupcakes. 3 is the number of friends. So, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Each friend gets 4 cupcakes. Let us group these soccer balls. We can place them into pairs. That makes 5 groups. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let us share 8 pencils. Share them among 4 children. Each child receives exactly 2. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Look at these 15 delicious Laddus. Let us share them among 3 children. Each child receives exactly 5. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Welcome to quiz time! Look at these candies and gift boxes. Can you solve this equation? 18 divided by 6. What is the answer? Time's up! Look at these candies and gifts. The correct answer is equally. When each box gets 3 candies.
Here's today's Math Superstar Challenge. We have 20 balloons and 4 baskets. How many balloons should go into each basket? Think carefully. It's time to reveal the answer. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Each basket gets 5 balloons. Did you get it right? Great job, Math Superstars! Today we learned that division means sharing equally. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!